she went up to one of them and was like, my mom doesn't love me. She refuses to accept the fact that I will bone anyone. Not anyone. Here, no. Okay. Let's hope my mom doesn't watch this video because she's gonna be like, what the fuck do you mean? Her legs are too short. She can't do that, Cameron.
Yeah, I can't fucking do that. Oh my god, stop with your frustration.
Stop.
Just don't. You can't do it.
She flew.
Pick a card.
That one.
Okay, remember your card.
Fascist. Did you see it?
Okay.
Okay, great.
Okay, so we're gonna shuffle the deck again so that you know I'm not fooling it on you guys, okay?
What's a shuffle?
Okay, so I'm gonna put the bottom card on the top of the deck and you have to tell me when to stop, okay?
I'm gonna let you do this, like go through the entire thing like a few times.
Lauren, you tell me when to stop.
I thought I was the magic trick.
Well, since you wanna not tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, so now I'm gonna separate the decks.
Voice.
Okay, which deck do you want to be on top?
Cameron's not a top, so you can't really.
that one.
You want this one on top? Okay.
Yeah, because it's closest to me, because I'm a top.
Look out for your card. Look for your card.
Sorry, I was looking at someone.
Look for your card, okay?
Do I just say when? Like,
No, just like you're gonna tell me which card your deck your card is in. Okay, which deck is your card in? That one? Okay. We're gonna do that again. Okay? So watch out for your card.
okay, I guess you fucked it up.
Because you fucked up.
Okay, which
It's that one.
is that one?
That one.
Is it supposed to be the same one?
It's magic, you're not supposed to know. Which, this one? Are you sure? Were you even watching?
Yes.
Is it in that one?
Yes.
Were you looking?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay, wait, I don't know.
That was your card.
Okay, cool.
What the fuck? No,
Got him.
No, you didn't.
I'm a fucking magician.
You're wrong.
Okay.
It was 4 diamonds, you retard.
Are you serious?
No. Come get this pussy, bitch. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god. I hope I fucking die.
Coke spilled on my AirPods.
Well, that's what you get for getting AirPods.
Well, maybe if you waited for me, you would have gotten some Coke.
I want cocaine.
Wait, is there more than? Do you have more than that one? Because you and Tavian could just shoot each other with them. Throwing candle wars?
I want him not to get hurt in the next.
Yeah, I don't have any like insurance, so I don't.
Yes.
I got shit right now.
So no, sue you otherwise.
I'm not even gonna do it that much.
Fuck you, bro. That shit hit me in the face, my guy. Run, Tavian.
Oh my god. Live action.
Prove to me that horses are real. Do it.
You got the horses in the bag.
He's gay. Did you? He came out as gay.
I stand that. I love him.
Oh, and like
a king.
all the people are like that like used to bump that song. They're like, no.
They're
I
like,
still bump it.
they talk about it being about riding dick.
What do you mean? I still bump it. I know for a fact I look like Flashback Mary on that.
Cameron.
Okay, no, that probably wasn't it. Actually, really unimpressive, to be honest.
So it just sucked that bad.
Yes. Yeah.